Okay, I'm done. I'm done. I almost broke my hand trying to stir this candy because I put in almost, how many cups that was? Almost 4 cups of pecans. I think it was 4 cups of pecans, 24 ounces. That was just too many pecans, but I'm done. I'm done with my lasagna. I made some lasagna with pepperonis, Italian sausage, and ground beef, of course. And I made the candy. The candy is kind of thick. I got so many pecans in the candy, I don't have enough room for. So I did that. I'm done. I don't like cooking this. I feel like work. I'm done with this phase of my life. But thank y'all for watching. I'll let y'all know how it tastes. But that's that. I said I'll post when I was done. And I don't have nothing else to talk about. But I made some fresh garlic bread. I don't know why people buy garlic bread in a freezer section when we have all this French bread around us. You can easily get some garlic, wrap it up, put a little Earl on it, Earl or whatever y'all want to say. Throw it in the oven and let it get nice and soft. Then you can just push it all out and put some butter with it. You can mix the butter mixture up with a little whatever you want to put in it. And you throw it on some French bread. The French bread costs $1. So stop buying frozen French bread. Twist up your little recipes. And it's done. So I cook, yay for me. I cook, y'all. I finally cook. And now I'm about to go. But I want y'all to see me. That was some work trying to get that heavy pecan candy out with that little wimpy spoon. But there it is. So I'm done. And I'll talk to y'all later.